Once upon a time, on a small island in the middle of the big blue sea, there was a boy. His name was Tommy. Tommy loved the sea more than anything in the world. Every morning he came to the beach.
The sea is so beautiful today, but I am alone. I wish I had a friend.
But Tommy had one problem. He had no friends. Every day he sat on his rock and wished for one. And then something jumped out of the water.
A dolphin!
The dolphin
A real
swam
dolphin!
close and looked up at Tommy.
I am going to call you Finn. Do you like that? Click, click. You like it?
The dolphin jumped high up into the air. And just like that,
Wow, Finn!
Tommy
That
was
the best
not
jump
alone
ever.
anymore.
I will race you to the big
He had
rock.
found a
1,
friend.
2, 3, go!
A friend from the sea.
Click,
Finn won.
click, click.
Again.
Like you at me? Are you laughing at me?
Then
Hey,
Finn hit the water with his tail.
that is cold.
A big
Finn.
cold wave hit Tommy.
You got me. My
Every
turn.
day they played together.
Flashback.
A boy and a dolphin. Different in every way, but the very best of friends. One morning,
Finn,
Tommy saw something
look,
far
that ship
away.
has a skull on the flag.
A big black
Click,
ship.
click. Pirates,
with a
real
black
pirates.
flag.
What do we do?
The ship stopped.
We are
3
here!
pirates
Find the golden
jumped
pearl.
onto the
Search
beach.
everywhere. Yes, Captain Bart. we
Dan
will
looked
find
under a leaf, but they found nothing.
Finn, I have an idea, but I need your help. Are you ready?
it. Click, click, click.
Good. Then let's go.
What? A little boy? Go home, little boy.
I know where the golden pearl is.
You know where it is? Yes, follow me. Where is it? Where? I cannot see it.
It is deeper. Go further.
Captain says go further.
One slow click. Yes,
No,
the
Finn.
pirates
No!
stopped laughing. One enormous wave crashed into Bart.
Please, no more waves, please.
Go back to your ship and never come back to our island.
Yes, we are going. Sorry.
The black ship
We did it,
sailed
Finn.
away.
We did it. You are celebrating. I can tell.
Their island was safe again. Finn jumped high into the golden sky. Tommy put his arms around.
Friends do not have to be the same as you. Different size, different home, different voice. Real friends are brave together. Real friends help each other.
Did you like our story? I have a question for you. Click. Finn says, what is your favorite part of the story? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to English Storybox for a new story every week. See you next time. Bye-bye.